Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know I didn't post a video yesterday. I got caught up. Like, I spent the whole day braiding my stepmother, and then later on, it was late. I spent like the whole day doing it, and I don't vlog her because I don't have a permission to post her face and like her in general. So I didn't vlog anything. By the time I thought I could vlog, it was too late. So I was just gonna show you clips of me moving from home to come visit my aunts, and yeah, let's get into it. Morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, another day, another what? I just made myself some tea. I'm sorry for covering your faces a little bit there, but I've just made some tea today. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm going to my aunt's place. I know, guys, I do too much and then I do too little. Like anyways. So I just made myself tea because today's weather is a little bit gloomy, so it allows me to drink my tea because I love tea. I love tea. Let me show you all the tea. My tea. I'm not gonna sip it. It's scorching hot. I'm the kind of person, before I pour tea into my cup, I like rinse the cup with like boiling hot water to make the tea last longer. You know, guys, I'll cut it. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like seeing this ugly face of mine. Anyways, I love you. Enjoy. Good morning, y'all. Wake up to my video. Just brushed my teeth. Tomorrow yesterday I wasn't able to vlog. So I'm gonna vlog today, and then I'm gonna put some clips from yesterday. I'll explain why later. Finally now out of bed. I've just been chilling in bed, so I think I'm gonna go make food now. I don't know what I'm gonna eat, but they cooked last night, so I didn't eat, so I think I'm gonna just eat that. And yeah, I don't know what I have plans for the day because I need to use the perfume right now, but my little brother decided to walk in me right now, and I think I have diarrhea, so I don't know what's happening. Like, oh. Guys, I just showered, so let's do my skincare routine. Ah, it's spilled. Oh, and before I do the fast forward through everything, I just wanted to tell you guys that I uninstalled. Let me show you all the wig. Where is it? Okay, here's the wig. I uninstalled. Don't ask me. Like, guys, one thing about me, I don't take care of my wigs, but I didn't bring an extra wig. Oh, bless me, Lord. I didn't bring an extra wig, so I'm gonna restyle this. I didn't bring a straightener, so I'm gonna iron it. But yeah, I didn't bring any other wig, so hopefully I can just install this one again because it's not part of my plans. It is like I never like my lace lifted that day of the party, so after that I was like I didn't bother fixing it. So today was the day. So my lace lifted on Saturday. Yeah, so I like it was still not horrible. But rock, I saw my pictures and I was like, damn girl, your lace was like up in the sky, lifted. It was levitating at that point. But you know what, people didn't seem to ever notice because most people that were there went frontal girlies, or at least on my side that helped, so people didn't notice that. Oh my god, this girl, her lace is walking at the big over her head. Wait guys, I think I only bought night cream. I'm gonna cry. Wait, I really did. I only brought night cream. I need my SPF. I don't have sunscreen. What do you mean? Oh, thank God I found it. I was panicking. Anyways, guys, let me explain why yesterday I didn't post a vlog, because I know y'all expecting a vlog every day. And I'm disappointed in myself because I know that once I skip like a day of doing something, most probably it goes down from there. So that's why I'm making sure I'm vlogging every single detail today, just for that fact, because I don't want no mistakes. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm just applying some cream. I apply a lot if you're unaware. And yeah, I uninstalled, I washed off all the glue that was in my hair. And yeah, for my skin, I'm gonna use Johnson's Focus Cream and the Vaseline. And then I didn't bring my baby oil, so I'm gonna just top it up with this tissue oil just for an extra shine. Then just some body mist. Yeah. I'm done buffing now. I think I'm gonna install, I don't know which room I'm gonna install it in because I don't have a mirror that I brought with me, but I want to install, so I want to install with y'all, so we're gonna do it on cam. Yeah, let's get into it. I switched rooms. This room doesn't have as good lighting as the previous one, but here I have like a big mirror I can look at myself in, so I chose to come to this room. So yeah, watch me install. I'm gonna just time lapse everything, and yeah. Straightening the wig. It's not bone straight or anything, but I'm happy with it considering how curly it was. I had made it super curly and those curls really don't want to go away. And I'm over it so many times, so I'm scared I'm gonna just end up causing more damage. So I feel like this is good enough. So I'm just drying my glue now, making sure there's no wet glue before I melt it, because if you melt while there's glue, when you lift it up, it's gonna leave white glue marks. Okay, I'm now melting. I'm not using the normal melting band because I don't know, I'm lazy to go get it. Actually, that's the only reason. So I'm gonna just start styling this here right now. These are the results, guys. Oh. Guys, my hair no longer looks straight. I was laying down on it. I was trying to sleep. Did I even sleep? Because I feel like I haven't been laying down for more than an hour, so that sucks. And I'm bored, and it's hot. Not like crazy hot like people on TikTok make it so sound, but like, yeah.
Seconds on the bike, 30 seconds here. 30 seconds.
Guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment down below what you'd like to see me do, you know? Anyways, comment, yeah, just comment that. Anyways, guys, love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.